Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cook with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good, delicious fruit salad. Easy to do, simple, very delicious. Follow me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, what we're going to do at first, we're going to put in some mixed fruit. You want to make sure you drain all the excess liquid off. And then we're going to use some whipped cream. Half of it in for now. Kind of mix that together. Okay. Okay. Chop them up. Cracker. Marshmallows. Can of mixed fruit. And we're going to take whipped cream, or Cool Whip. Marshmallows, the rest of the bag in. Nuts. This is pecan, chopped real finely. Graham cracker. Rest of this, and I'm just gonna mix it in very well together. With the rest of the graham cracker, pecan, we're just gonna mix this very well together. Okay, we're gonna serve this. I like to serve them in the container of the Cool Whip, because that way you get the rest of that. Okay, take a look at that. We're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh my God. That is so delicious. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.